good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Zakhona Ntshingila. If you didn't know, now you know. Period. All 23 of y'all, thank you so much for the support so far. Thank you for the views, thank you for the likes, thank you for the comments. Consistency, we're coming through. We're coming through with the consistency. Just give me a bit more patience. The way my life is the mess is the way the mess is behind me, bro. That's how messy my life is right now, but we're slowly but surely getting there. It is 6:44. I need to be at work in 16 minutes. I'm still trying to request. No one is accepting my rides. Me and Bolt and Uber have been beefing for the longest of times. I'm hurtful. What I'm about to do now is I'm gonna make some lunch, which is basically gonna be yesterday's leftovers, and then I'm gonna pack tea on it, drink some tea today because it's a bit gloomy. That's how